People will doubt you until you don't need their validation anymore. Too many times when we want to do something, too many times when we want to start something great, too many times when we want to go after our passions, our desires, our hobbies, and make our craft become something that transitions from a side gig into something that's full-time, doubters start talking. We allow people who failed, we allow people who never even tried to start projecting their limitations upon us. It's the same story over and over and over again. You're getting ready to take up more responsibility. You're getting ready to go back to school. You're getting ready to start a business. And then out of nowhere, and sometimes it comes from family, sometimes it comes from friends, sometimes it comes from loved ones. They start saying, you can't do that. Things have advanced. Technology is going to wipe that out. You don't have the skills. You're not old enough. You're not young enough. You're not hip enough. You're not handsome. You're not beautiful. You don't fit the criteria. They want to put you in a box. But I realized people that have high ambitions, people that are dreamers, people that are reluctant to listen to what haters are saying. We can't be put in a box. We can't abide by what other people are saying. We have to break free. We will break free if we stop listening to the doubters, if we keep feeding the voice in our head that tells us we can do it. We are able, we are capable. And it's always the people that rarely ever tried anything, that failed once, that always have the loudest of opinions. The people that are miserable with their lives, that always throw out shade when somebody's trying to do something different. And I always say, let them talk, let them doubt, but whatever you do, just don't let them stop you. There's someone out there who loves to paint. They wanted to make it a full-time thing. They got all their supplies ready. They launched, and then someone out of nowhere came and told them, this is not a true career path. This is not something you can make a livelihood out of. What did that person do? They listened. They gave up. They settled for a job. They settled for something that was not authentic to themselves. But the thing about a dreamer, the thing about a visionary, is very, very, very hard to quit when you know every time you lay your head on your pillow, there's going to be a small voice telling you that's not what you're supposed to be doing. You are destined for this. You are destined to go after your dreams. You are destined to give back to the world in a way that only you could, in a way that your unique skill set, in a way that your unique personality can go out there and touch the heart of other people. Trying to get somebody like that to quit, trying to quit while you are that person, whatever it is, whatever avenue you find yourself in, it's a challenge in itself. You're challenged by being at work, and you're challenged when you're laying your head in a place that's supposed to be your most comfort dwelling. Now, what does that person do? They finally decide to muster up the courage. They finally decide to go against the grain. They finally decide to prove themselves right, and in turn, silencing the doubters. They go out there, they start that business. She picks up those brushes. She creates that Instagram page. She launches. Her first post gets 0 likes. Her 5th post gets 5 likes. Her 10th post gets 5 likes. Her 11th post gets 5 likes. It keeps going slow and steady, but she's willing to not give up because she already tried the other route. She already tried to subscribe to the life that is outside of her. And then eventually, because of consistency, because of hard work, because of faith, her next post goes viral and it changes her life. Now, her artwork is in studios, it's in museums, it's in different places that she couldn't even fathom. And here's the thing, here comes the doubters again. Oh, I knew you could do that. Oh, do you have any advice or any tips for me? What is it that you did differently that got you to where you're at right now? Here comes the questions. That's why I always say, let them talk, let them doubt, but never let them stop you. They will be back. Some will congratulate you and some will hate even more, but that's not your business. Your dream, it doesn't need approval. It just needs commitment. Your dream doesn't need approval. It needs hard work. Start with what you have. Do it scared, do it small, but just do it anyway. There's a quote that says, don't wait for permission to be great. Don't wait for other people's validation to decide to be great. Here are 3 truths about doubt. Number 1, belief. It starts with you. If you don't believe, nobody else will. If you don't believe in your craft, if you don't believe in your dream, no one else will. And the beauty of that is, while they're not believing in you, you're mustering up the courage. You're not doing it for them. You're doing it for yourself. And watch how when you show up for yourself, it also silences them. Truth 2, silence the noise with action. Let your results speak. Don't waste your energy trying to prove people that you're worthy, trying to prove people that you have what it takes. Let your actions speak, because they're going to speak way louder. And here's the third truth. Number 3, doubt fuels champions. Prove them wrong by proving yourself right. Don't do it for them, do it for yourself. And you will notice, and surely they will notice. Bottom line, let people sleep on you. It's not your job to wake them up. Your actions will wake them up. All you have to do is keep building. Keep fighting for that thing that you want. Keep striving for excellence. Keep striving for greatness. Don't wait for validation. Validation is never going to come. You have to get started. You have to show people that you are worthy. You have to show people that you have what it takes. But that is not the reason why you should get started. You should get started because it's in here. It's in here. It keeps you up at night. You should get started because of that unwavering desire that you have to make your dreams become a reality. It's your boy, DP Motivates, and we out, baby. We out.